Alright, so in this video I'll do a Piaggio Fly 150 second gen battery replacement. And nothing wrong with my current battery in the scooter. I had a lithium iron battery in there, but I'm selling this scooter, so I bought a generic AGM sealed battery from U+. And I'm going to be replacing the lithium iron battery in there with this generic battery. And I'm gonna keep my own lithium battery for other projects, but let me just show you really quick how it is done. Okay, very easy on this scooter. You want to pop this cap off by prying on the right side. Okay, and it's off. Use your included tool, and I think this is a T27, so not the T25. You're gonna use the thicker end of the Torx wrench. Okay, so put it in there and just try to unlock the front panel. Okay, front panel off. Save this. This pushes up and you can pop it out. Okay, and just be very gentle and it will come off very easily. Okay, and now you already exposed the battery compartment right here, and right now I have my lithium battery in there. We're going to be using the same T27 side of the Torx from your toolkit. Loosen this cover. Some scooters might not have this cover because they've been serviced before and people doesn't want to leave this cover back on there. So just heads up, you might just directly see the battery under there. Save your bolts. Take the cover out, and basically it's just sliding the battery out. Okay, super easy. And with this out, you'll see my little tiny lithium ion battery in there. I am going to just go ahead and disconnect. It's gonna be a Phillips head screwdriver, so before we do that, we're gonna change the toolkit to Phillips head. Let's see. And we also have to remove the back area of the battery access panel. So make sure the scooter is unlocked, and you can push this, open this up, and expose the back area. Oh, leave the sticker on the side too. And again, this is Phillips head as well, so as you unloosen this, you'll be able to slide this panel out. Okay, so just go ahead and continue unscrewing. And one hand is a little hard. Alright, so I got this one out. Try to unscrew this one. This one is a little tricky because you have to put your hands at an awkward position to try to get it out. And sometimes it might get stuck, so just a heads up. But I think it is out. Once it's out, grab this and pull it out. Don't lose the screws. Okay. Here, and you can see the battery is here. So basically, if you loosen those two positive negative terminals, you can slide it out and put your new battery in. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the front again. Always disconnect the positive terminal first, which over here is this one, and don't lose the screw. Do not lose the screw. Very easy to lose the battery connection screws. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this, leave it on the side, and try to get this away from the positive terminal so it doesn't spark or anything if you accidentally touch it. Okay, right now it is off to the side. Kind of hard. Let's see. Why don't we just go ahead and disconnect the negative for now, rather quickly, so it can be taken out. Okay. And I mean, for this battery, the lithium ion battery that I had, it's a big screw, and I can literally just unscrew it by hand, which is what I'm gonna do. Once it's loosened, I'm gonna go to the behind and just unscrew it by hand. Once you get both screws out, pull the battery out, okay, from the behind, of course, okay. And of course, this is my super tiny lithium-ion battery from Anti-Gravity Batteries, one of the best compact and high performance battery available that you can buy, okay. Not paid by the company to say that, but their battery is really well made. And it's lithium ion, holds the initial charges quite high. This one actually stands by at 13.4 volts. So this one is the one I bought brand new. This one stands by at 12.8 volts. After you fully charge it and have to sit for a couple of days, it's gonna rest at around 12.8 volts. All right, so let's go ahead and put this back on there. And again, remember the positive and negative side. So remember the positive was at the front, so we're gonna make sure to put the positive at the front. You do not want to connect positive to negative and negative to positive. It's gonna pretty much at the moment burn your scooter's main fuse immediately. Okay, so don't do that. All right, let's put this in there. Hopefully it fits. All right, looks like the height is okay. Okay, so it's gonna fit. And I'm gonna slowly push it in there, use two hands and try to connect it at the same time using the provided screws right here. And I'm gonna show you guys once I connect the battery, and we're just test the scooter really quick. So you can see I have the battery perfectly aligned, and those lines are also perfectly aligned for the right size battery. I put the little battery bolt holder on the bottom, and the next step I'm pretty much just gonna put the bolts on the top, connect the positive first and then connect the negative, and we'll do a startup test. And now you can see the battery is properly connected, positive to positive, negative to negative. Take a look from the behind, and we can safely I guess let's do a startup test. Check to see if the scooter powers up, which it does. And I'm gonna put the phone down, start up the scooter, give it a try. And it starts up perfectly fine, okay? So yeah, the battery works great. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the reverse process. Close the battery door, put the screws back on there. Let's see. And there is a little foam there to press it really nicely so it's not gonna move around. Put the two screws here, and the reverse of the front is obviously put this cover back on so it doesn't get any water or rain damage. Okay, slide it in and connect this bolt, and in the end, cover on there, screw back on there, and the final cover back on there, and that's it. So that's how easy it is to change the battery in the second gen Piaggio Fly 150. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I'll have more scooter maintenance related videos coming out for you guys. Okay, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.